Tomtomi's Starry Stars. Today is Car Star! No. No matter how I look at it, I just don't like it. It has to be cool enough for everyone to say, wow! Genie, I'm here! Oh, wow! What's that small, cute car? Did you make a new car? Small and cute? Ugh, another failure. I want to make a big, cool car. Oh, what if we make a super big cloud by gathering tons of them? I'll help you. No, it can't just be big. Everyone has to think it's cool. But I don't know how to do that. I don't know either. Oh, that's it. Just a minute. Come here. Tomtomi, what are you doing? The bathroom is over there. You shouldn't be doing that here. That's it. You really? Isn't that too much? No, that's not it. Just wait a bit. It'll be here soon. Oh, it's arrived. Car Star. It's been a while. Car Star? Hey? Vroom, vroom. Car Star, what happened? Where have you been? Why are you so messy? Vroom, 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 vroom. Ah, you came down in a hurry after fixing a car. You can fix cars? You must know a bit about machines, huh? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Car Star loves cars so much that it can totally fix them up and make them even cooler. It knows everything about cars, so you can ask anything. What's the biggest and coolest car you've seen? I want to make a car like that. Car Star can't pick just one, so it wants to show you all of them. Oh, really? Wait a minute. I need to get a pen and paper. I've seen this at a lot of construction sites. That's right. It's an excavator. It uses the shovel-like bucket on the front to dig up dirt and lift rocks. It looks like a robot with huge arms. Right? Its entire body is on a turntable, so it can spin around in one place. Aha! So it shovels dirt from the front and back. Its wheels look a bit odd. Oh, right! The excavator has caterpillar tracks instead of wheels, so it can move smoothly on uneven ground or mud. I bet it would be super easy for it to pass over clouds. I can't wait to see what's next. Next up, the problem solver of the construction site, the bulldozer. See that huge metal plate at the front? It's called a blade. It can push anything away just like a giant shovel. Wow, I think the wheels look similar to an excavator's wheels. That's right. Bulldozers also have caterpillar tracks, so it can move powerfully, just like an elephant stomping on the ground. Yikes! If the bulldozer shows up, we better move out of the way right away. Oh, it looks like a truck, but it's a little bigger. It's a dump truck. It can move a lot of heavy dirt and sand at construction sites. It has a large amount of cargo space, so it can carry a lot of stuff. Right. When it stops, it tilts the cargo area back and everything inside comes crashing down. Wow, it's a powerful piece of heavy equipment like Leo. I'll show you a truck that's even bigger than a dump truck. It's a haul truck. If a dump truck is a little bigger than a regular truck, a haul truck is as big as a building. Wow, If we're standing next to it, we'd probably look smaller than its wheels. Yes! You can only see this at huge construction sites or mines, so remember what it looks like. What kind of truck is that? There's something on the back. It's a mixer truck that makes and delivers concrete. The concrete stays inside the mixer truck before it hardens. Concrete is made by mixing cement, water, sand, and gravel. At first, it's like a flowing paste, but over time, it hardens and becomes as tough as stone. So, the mixer truck spins around to keep the concrete from hardening? That's right! The mixer truck puts the concrete into the mixing drum, which looks like a dough machine, and it shakes around. We need concrete to make a building, so the mixer truck makes it for you, like a chef. Yep! From now on, we should call the mixer truck the chef of the construction site. This vehicle also has a unique front wheel, like the excavator and bulldozer. Right! It's a road roller with a big round wheel called a roller. What do you think the road roller does? One thing's for sure, anything that gets run over by a roller will definitely get flattened. Oh, that's right! To make a road, first they laid down a black soft dough-like material called asphalt. Then, the road roller presses it down firmly to harden it, and that's how they get a solid and smooth road. Oh, I see. I just thought of a nickname for the road roller. How about the iron of the construction site? That's perfect! Here comes the giant iron of the construction site! If you don't want to get flattened, move out of the way! Wow! What's that long thing? Is it a piece of heavy equipment too? It'll be able to touch my clouds if it gets any longer. It's a crane. It can lift and move the materials needed to make a building very high up. You're saying that it's not the person who carries it all the way to the top of the building, but the crane lifts it up in one go? Of course! With a crane, anything can be brought to even the clouds you're playing on. Oh, that would be really useful. Should I make a cloud crane? Wow, it's so big and so cool. It's exactly what I wanted. What is it? It's a bagger, the master of digging and lifting dirt. It seems like the bagger is similar to the excavator, right? The bagger is way bigger and stronger than the excavator. It's so big that it's the length of 2 football fields, as tall as a 25-story building, and weighs as much as 2,000 elephants combined! Whoa, it's huge! Then the bagger would be better. The bagger is so big that it's hard to move around in narrow spaces. That's when the excavator steps in to help. Ah, so they're needed at different times. Oh, there's a train on the road. It's not a real train, but a road train. A truck with multiple trailers connected in a row. Wow, so we can connect the trailers even longer, just like a train? It usually has 2 or 3, but it can have up to 10 in places with a lot of open land like Australia. It must need a super powerful engine to pull all that. That's right! It needs an enormous engine power. It's so long that it can only run on wide roads like those in deserts or mines. That's why it's a vehicle you don't see often. Oh, am I seeing things right? Is that a car carrying other cars? That's right! It's a car carrier. It's a special vehicle that carries cars. It looks like it's delivering new cars made at a car factory. But what if the cars fall off? It's got secure attachments, so it's all okay. It's kind of like a double-decker bus carrying car passengers, right? Exactly. To load the cars like that, everything needs to be perfectly calculated. The order and how they're loaded. Heavy car goes here, lighter one's there. Carefully think about the weight distribution and
That's right.
Here like this. Yes, okay. Janie's mind must be bursting with ideas. Thanks to the vehicles we saw with Car Star.
Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Heavy car goes here.
Car Star.
There.
We should let Janie have fun. Can you show us some more cool cars? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Oh, yeah! Shall we play some more? Let's go!
Oh yeah, oh yeah, okay. Heroes of the construction site.
Excavator, dump truck, crane.
Off to the construction site. Feeling confident and we are the heavy equipment.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Digging in the ground, digging. Oh yeah! Dig with my big arms, dig. I am a chunky and a chubby man. Oh yeah, excavator. Oh yeah. Pile the dirt up, pile it up. Oh yeah. My cargo trunk is so full. I am a proud and majestic muscle man. Oh yeah, dump truck. Oh yeah.
Lifting things really high, so high. Oh yeah. Up and up with my long arms. Up. I am a long, very long, steely man. Oh yeah, crane. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. Heroes of the construction site.
Bulldozer, cement truck, roller.
Off to the construction site. Feeling confident and we are the heavy equipment.
1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody, off we go to the construction site.
Just push, and just push everything. All right. Pat it down even and flat. Pat. I'm the push man. I don't stop. Oh yeah, bulldozer. Oh yeah.
Mix the cement, mix it, and mix it. All right. Spins around with my big mixer. Spinning. I'm the delivery king, the mixer man. Oh yeah, cement truck. Oh yeah.
Pat the ground, pat the ground. Oh yeah. Spinning around with a roller. Roll. I'm the king of the road, the roller man. Oh yeah, road roller. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. Heroes of the construction site.
Excavator, dump truck, crane.
Off to the construction site. Feeling confident and we are the heavy equipment.
1, 2, 1, 2. Oh yeah.
Boom, bang, bang.
Ooh, wow, wow.
Heave ho.
Ooh, ah.
Strong mining equipment, mining up the minerals. Haul truck, excavator bagger. We are the world's greatest giant heavy equipment. Hoo-ha! Mining underground minerals. Heave ho. Gigantic size and spinning wheel. I'm the best, yes, I'm the best. Oh, so big. Monstrously big. So big. Oh, so big. Giant equipment excavator bagger. Loading up the dirt and rocks. Heave ho. Gigantic wheels and dump it. I'm the best, yes, I'm the best. Oh, so big. Monstrously big. So big. Oh, so big. Giant giant equipment haul truck. Carry cargo, roll on, special cargo carriers, transporting great heavy loads, long road train. Car carrier, we are the world's greatest, longest cargo truck. Transport lots of cars together. Heave ho ho, heave ho ho. Fill up the first and second deck too. I'm the best, yes, I'm the best. Oh, so long, monstrously long. So long. Oh, so long, long equipment car carrier. Hauling lots of heavy cargo. Heave ho ho, heave ho ho. So many trailers linked together. I'm the best, yes, I'm the best. Oh, so long, monstrously long. So long. Oh, so long, long equipment road train.
Super powerful monster trucks! Vroom, 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 vroom! We are the monster trucks! Here comes my full power! Zoom, 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 zoom! Bumpy mountain roads are no problem for me! Here I go, full power! Zoom, 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 zoom! Slushy muddy puddles are no problem for me! Full power, monster truck! Here comes my King Kong power! Zoom, 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 zoom! Boom, boom, bam, bam, I can smash through obstacles! Smashed it all, King Kong power! Zoom, 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 zoom! Bang, bang, clang, bang, here I go, charging forward! King Kong power, monster truck! Vroom, 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 vroom! Super powerful monster trucks! Vroom, 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 vroom! We are the monster trucks!
Here comes my cheetah power.
Zoom, 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 zoom!
Dash, 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 I'm as fast as the speed of light. Here I go, cheetah power.
Zoom, 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 zoom!
Zip, 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 bam, bam, soaring to the sky. Cheetah power, monster truck.
Here comes my dino power. Zoom, 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 zoom! Lift, I can easily lift heavy loads. Lift it up, dino power. Zoom, 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 zoom! Heave ho, I can carry many loads with ease. Dino power, monster truck. Full power, King Kong power.
Cheetah power.
Dino power. Vroom, 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 vroom! We are the monster trucks. Emergency rescue team. Beep, beep, beep. Tomtomi's emergency rescue team. Emergency, emergency.
It's a fire! It's a fire! Come and help me, please!
We will be right there. Sizzling big fires. Ha! Roaring tall fires too. It's no problem. I'm a fire truck. Emergency, emergency.
I'm in so much pain. I'm in so much pain. Come and help me, please.
Beep, beep, wee you, we will be right there. Give first aid first. Don't worry, hurry to the hospital. Yeah? Move out of the way, I'm an ambulance.
Emergency, emergency.
Hurry, catch him, come and help me, please.
Nina, 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 we will be right there. Get there as fast as I can. Stop right there. Catch and punish the bad guys. You're under arrest. I am brave. I'm a police car.
Thank you all.
Beep, beep, beep. We're the emergency rescue team. Beep, beep, beep. Tomtomi's emergency rescue team. Tomtomi's emergency rescue team. construction site.
Excavator!
Dump truck crane! Up to the construction site, feeling confident and great. We are the heavy equipment. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Digging, digging in the ground, digging. Oh yeah! Dig, dig with my big arms. Dig, dig, dig. I am a chunky, chunky and a chubby man. Oh yeah, excavator. Oh yeah. Pile the dirt up, pile it up. Oh yeah. My cargo trunk is so full, so full, so full. I am a proud and majestic muscle man. Oh yeah, dump truck. Oh yeah.
Lifting things really high, so high. Oh yeah! Up and up with my long arms. Up, up! I am a long, very long, steely man. Oh yeah, crane. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah. Okay. Heroes of the construction site. Bulldozer, cement truck, roller. Up to the construction site, feeling confident and great. We are the heavy equipment. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody, off we go to the construction site.
Just push, and just push everything.
All right. Pat it down even and flat. Pat, pat. I'm the push man. I don't stop. Oh yeah, bulldozer. Oh yeah.
Mix the cement, mix it, and mix it. All right! Spins around with my big mixer. Spinning! I'm the delivery king, the mixer man. Oh yeah, cement truck. Oh yeah!
Pat the ground, pat the ground. Oh yeah! Spinning around with a roller. Roll! I'm the king of the road, the roller man. Oh yeah, road roller. Oh yeah! Ha! Oh yeah. Okay. Heroes of the construction site.
Excavator!
Dump truck crane! Up to the construction site, feeling confident and great. We are the heavy equipment. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh yeah!
Help me! Someone stole my food!
Don't worry, we'll help you.
You'll never catch me. Everybody make way. The Dino Car will save the day. No one can ever compete. The strong and mighty Dino Car. Powerful engine, lightning speed. Race full speed ahead, mighty Dino Car. Go, hurry, zoom, driving, racing as fast as we can. Go, hurry, zoom, faster now, come on, let's race ahead. What?
Not so fast! We stop right there. The star car will save the day. No one can ever keep up. The strong and speedy star car. Yeah! Shining engine, world's fastest speed. Race like a shooting star, greatest star car.
Go, hurry, zoom, driving, racing as fast as we can. Go, hurry, zoom, faster now, come on, let's race ahead.
Zoom, driving, racing as fast as we can.
Go, hurry, zoom, faster now, come on, let's race ahead.
Wow, thank you so much!
We'll be there to help no matter what.
Boom, boom, bang, bang. Heave ho. Strong mining equipment, mining up the minerals. haul truck. Excavator bagger. We are the world's greatest giant heavy equipment. Hoo-ha! Mining underground minerals. Heave ho ho, heave ho ho. Gigantic size and spinning wheel. I'm the best, yes, I'm the best. Oh, so big, monstrously big. So big, oh, so big. Giant equipment excavator bagger. Loading up the dirt and rocks. Heave ho ho, heave ho ho. Gigantic wheels and dump bed. I'm the best, yes, I'm the best. Oh, so big, monstrously big. So big, oh, so big. Giant equipment haul truck. Carry cargo. Ooh, wow, wow, wow. Roll on, ooh, wow. Special cargo carriers, transporting great heavy loads. Long road train. Car carrier. We are the world's greatest, longest cargo truck. Transport lots of cars together. Heave ho ho, heave ho ho. Fill up the first and second deck too. I'm the best, yes, I'm the best. Oh, so long, monstrously long. So long, oh, so long. Long equipment car carrier. Hauling lots of heavy cargo. Heave ho ho, heave ho ho. So many trailers linked together. I'm the best, yes, I'm the best. Oh, so long, monstrously long. So long, oh, so long. Long equipment road train.
Did you enjoy the video? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tomtomi's channel.